Hello, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Monday, May the 22nd, 2023. Not so good news today because we have only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. Only one because in this newspaper we have no additional. Let me show you. No additional. No extra puzzles. Well, what I will do is in the weekend edition, we have puzzles left. So I will solve those puzzles. Hey, Harrison Ford, 80 years old. Wow, the last movie of Indiana Jones. Yes, this one is Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny. It will be June the 28th in the yeah, will be launched. Will be in the movie theater, yeah, in the movie theater. All right. Let me start with this one, the medium Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, besides the news of Harrison Ford, last weekend, the Formula One race in Italy has been cancelled. Too much rain. Yeah, the climate change. We've noticed the climate change in the world. And yeah, has been cancelled. No Formula One race in Italy. All right. Let me start with this one. This one, number 64701. 6471. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional. If you compare with the 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one has 28. Should be easier than the 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So let's get started. A lot of sevens. Can I start with 7? That's the question. Well, yeah. We have 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 in these two boxes. Here's 7 in the last column. No 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between. Only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here's 7 in a second column, so no 7 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. You see a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Now I cannot do anything with the 7. How about the 4 in this column? The 4 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Alright. Then. 8. We have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. Well. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. Yeah. Come on. 2, 1 and a 6. 1. No 6 here. No 6 there. 6. Interesting. 6, 5. 5. 6. But the 4. 4. Yeah. 4. 3. Come on. 3. We have a 3 here. We have a 3 there. Well, 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. Need a 2 here. The 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 6, 3, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. 1, 6, 3, 6, and the 8. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. Let me mark those. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 8 and a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 8 and a 6 in this box. 8 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. So the 8 and the 6 here, also 8 and a 6. Let me think. 9. And we need an 8 here. 1, 6, and need a 6 there. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have 1 and 6 in this column. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 here in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the in this row for number 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 6 now. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For them is the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7, 8, and then 9. 7, 8, and 9. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the third row. 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6 now. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see here 9 in the first column, no 9 there. Here 9 in the second column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the middle row should be there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for 8 goes together with the 7. 8 and the 7, 8 and the 7. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and a 5. No, not the 5 numbers. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers here. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And we have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So One digit left in this big square for number 4. Finish in 50 minutes. Talk too much, otherwise it will be faster than 15 minutes. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the rest of the puzzles. In the weekend edition. Yeah, the weekend edition, we have I believe 5 puzzles left. Yeah, so see you tonight. Otherwise, have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.